Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math. And today we're going to learn about simplifying radical expressions. So if I was given this expression, -4 times the square root of 192x, okay? Well, I need to break down 192, okay? 192 is, I know it's divisible by 2, and I don't know off the top of my head, 192 divided by 2 is just 96. 96 divided by 2 is 48. Those 2 times 48. 48 is 2 times 24. 24 is 2 times 12, and 12 is 2 times 6, and 6 is 2 times 3. All these 2's there, okay? So now we've done our prime factorization of 192. Let's circle our pairs. I have a pair of 2's, 2 pair of 2's, and 3 pairs of 2's. Fantastic, okay? So now when I rewrite this, all right, well, there's no pair of 3's, and there's no pair of x's, but there's single. So with -4 on the outside times each one of our pairs. I have 3 pairs of 2's, so we have 2 times 2 times 2, just 3 of them. All right, remember the singles represent the pairs. Singles on the outside of the square root represent the pairs on the inside of the square root. Times the square root of the singles that were left inside the square root, which is a 3 times an x, 3 times an x. So now let's simplify. 4 times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So we have -32 here, times the square root of 3x, and that is our final answer. So let's recap. We're given -4 times the square root of 192x. 192, prime factorization of that, breaks down to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, and x is just by itself. Circle my pairs, represented by singles on the outside. And so we have -4, which is that one out there, stayed outside, times 2 times 2 times 2. Times the square root of all the singles that stayed inside the square root of 3 times x. Simplify that to get our final answer of -32 times the square root of 3.